In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a questionnaire from KoboToolbox. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your projects and open the one that you want to download the questionnaire from. So I'm going to click on this tutorial one over here. Then you want to go to form and then open up your editor. So I'm going to click on here. And this is, of course, the form builder. Then you want to go to top left and click on preview form, which will, of course, give you the preview of your current form. And if you're happy and you want to download it, simply click on this button top right, which of course is the printer icon, and whenever you click on it, it's going to give you like a PDF of your questionnaire. So just click on up top and switch from your printer to save as PDF, and when you do so, you want to click on the save button. And of course, these settings are optional, you can change them if you want to. I'm just not gonna right now. Then you can save this whatever you want. I'm just going to put this as 1 over here, and I'm going to save it into my downloads. Click on save, and if I now actually were to open this, you'll see that this indeed is the questionnaire I downloaded as a PDF. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.